Hello all, welcome to Visionary East with Chef JT. Thank you so much for tuning in with me today. I have so much in store for you today. We're doing a pineapple bowl, but this is no ordinary pineapple bowl at all. At Visionary East, we do no regular. So today we're doing a Caribbean seafood pineapple bowl. And when I say Caribbean, we're gonna infuse all those Caribbean flavors. We're gonna do the mangoes, the pineapples, the jerks, chipotle peppers, chilies. Everything that's Caribbean will be in this bowl. And we really going Caribbean. You see the shirt, so we finna go real crazy with it.
Get to me, yeah. They want me, but they can't hear me. I'm on a go, been on the road. On my way to where I gotta go. Ain't got time for no hellos. Some people I eventually outgrow. Yeah. Zero contacts in my phone.
So now it's time to start on the rice. And a lot of people do the regular jasmine rice or white rice, but they do the jasmine, they're trying to go to that next level. But Visionary East, we're going to the top. So here's what we're doing. We got some jasmine rice, we have some coconut milk, we have some pineapple juice, we have some pineapple bites, some toasted coconut, and some cilantro. Now what we're gonna do is, we're gonna cook our coconut milk and our pineapple juice with our rice. So for the measurements, I have 2 cups of white rice, jasmine. I have a cup and about 3/4 of coconut milk. I have a cup of water and also a cup of pineapple juice. We're gonna really infuse this until it can't be infused no more. Just watch. So now it's time to dress our king crab legs up and our lobster tail. So now we're gonna go ahead and take our seasoned blend. This is my own seasoned blend. This is a little bit of Caribbean jerk, mango habanero, chipotle peppers, and then some sweet paprika. All in this mix right here, which will be available shortly, so be on the lookout for that. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go take some olive oil. I'm a little fancy, so I get mine from Spain, you know? We're just gonna drizzle it. Wow. Go ahead and take our seasoning blend. I like my food seasoned, you know? So we're gonna really bust it down with it. We're gonna do that. We're gonna take some lime juice. Squeeze that lime right on top. Take that, let those bake up top. Probably pat it just to make sure the lime is incorporated with everything. Look at that, look how pretty that is. I have my oven on royal low. I'm gonna put that right on in there. We're gonna let that go for about 10 or so minutes on low. So now it's time to go ahead and season up our Argentinian shrimp. Look at that color, nice color. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take some olive oil. I like to base mine in the olive oil just so it can hold its seasoning and make a good color on it. We're gonna take that same seasoning blend from before. Get on in there. Yeah. We're gonna take some lime. We're gonna mix that up real nice. So now it's time to work on our coconut spicy cream sauce, which consists of some pina colada mix, is about a cup worth, some coconut, which I toasted earlier in the broiler, some chopped up pineapples, we have some powdered sugar, and we have about a little less than 1/4 of habanero peppers. I like mine spicy, I add the extra little kick on there, you dig? So now we're gonna go ahead and take it over and throw it in the pot. So now, as you can see, we have our mixture simmering and it came to a slight boil. So now we're gonna go ahead and add in our cornstarch and water mix. And this is about 1 tablespoon of water and about 3.5 teaspoons of cornstarch. So that's gonna go right on in there. And this is gonna give us our thickness level. We don't want it to be runny. So we did that little cornstarch mixture. We're gonna keep it on medium heat. And we're gonna let that simmer once again. Then once that simmers, we're gonna bring it to room temperature and just let it sit. And I'm gonna put it in a nice little bottle and drizzle it all on the pineapple bowls. So now we're gonna go ahead and break into this pineapple. How I like to do it, I just like to kind of eyeball it to the centerpiece. Get to that middle part right there. Sharp knife, right on in there. Right on out of it. Flip it around. Go back in that same groove. And then I like my pineapple to have the actual whole thing. Look at that. We're gonna put that to the side. See how that is right there? Has the whole head. Now, we're gonna hit it down the middle. Carve our edges out. And put that. You wanna outline your pineapple. Go ahead, get those spots out. Now that we have these squares, we can just pop them right on out. Right on. It's gonna be a little messy because you got to break the grooves of it. Scrape all the extras out. There you go. Now we have a bed for our pineapples and a pretty little head. So now you want to go ahead and clean that whole pineapple out. And if you wonder what music is playing in the background, that's my homie Elaine, Busy. Go check her out on all platforms. She's on iTunes, Apple Music, Spotify. She's on everything, so go check her out. So now it's time to marry all these Caribbean flavors. See, our rice cooked with the fresh squeezed pineapple juice, the coconut milk, and now we're gonna collide all these flavors together with it. Look at that. Woo! It's real good right there. We're gonna get that right into the bowl. Here we go. Now that we got that in there, take a little olive oil, just drizzle it with it. Wow. Got some pineapples right here. We're just gonna chop these up. They don't have to be no particular size. We're just gonna get them all in there. So now that we have that chopped up, we're gonna add a little cilantro to it. Kind of like a pico, you know. We're gonna mix that on up. Look at that. Get it back chopping again. Take our rice, mix up the oil. Add in pineapple, cilantro. Wow. Can't wait to eat this. We're gonna get all that in there. Here we are. Now that that's in there, we're gonna take our lime. Roll your limes out, because when you roll them out, you get a lot more juice out of them. Roll it out, right down the middle. There you are. A little salt. Gonna mix that on up. And last but not least, add some fresh coconut to that. Look at that. Mix that on up. And there you have it. So now it's time to dress it up and make it look real nice. Because you know we eat with our eyes first, so let's make it appealing. We're gonna go ahead and take that lime juice, squeeze the rest of that on there. Take our rice. Take our rice, we're gonna fill our bowl. Now that we have that rice in there, we're gonna go ahead and take our lobster tails. Cross them up top, make them look real pretty, just like that. Then we're gonna go ahead and take our crabs. Let's take our shrimps. Let's get those on in there. Real tropical, baby. We're going real, we're putting this levels on levels on levels on levels on top of levels. Wow. Go ahead and take some of this. This is our cilantro and pineapple mix. Go ahead and drizzle that right on top. Our homemade sauce. Get that right on in there. Drizzle it on top. Look at that. We're going to take our coconut. Drizzle that right on top. chili flakes for the color. Finish it off with lime juice.
On my way to where I gotta go. Ain't got time for no hello. Some people are eventually outgrown.
So there it is, your Visionary Eats Caribbean style seafood pineapple bowl. A true bust down. I'm thinking about changing the whole definition of the bust down and just classifying it with this picture, no words needed. Look at that. I just want to thank you all so much for tuning in with me again. And if you like this content and want to see more, please like, share, and subscribe. And also, I want you to comment. Go ahead and comment on it. Let me know what you want to see next. I'd love to bust it down for you. This is Visionary Eats. Thank you again.
We ain't connected. You don't see my perspective. With my time, you know I gotta be overprotected. I ain't gon' trip, nah. Not about this. On some 7 digits, I'm about to